Going to run a speed test on the new version of the Amazon Basics microSD card. They get 200 megabytes per second read speed and 150 megabytes per second write speed is the maximum they're rated at, but I'm going to test it and see what the true results are here, so let's take a look. I'm going to use Amazon's new microSD card reader. Let's start the test and see what we come up with. That's a really good result. So for a $50 retail card, it performs faster than most of the high-end SanDisk cards. It's probably a pretty good value for the money, so I don't think you can go wrong with it. Being able to record with this result shows you can record in 8K 60 and H.265, which will handle any action cam out there right now, or most phones. It shouldn't be an issue using this card. So pretty good card for the money, and I doubt you can go wrong with this for $50. So if this helped you out at all, please like and subscribe. Thanks.